Hi friends, today we shall discuss about alter command. Alter used to change the structure of existing table. There are four options in alter. Add used to add new columns to the existing table. Modify used to change the existing column structure. Rename column supported in 9i used to change the existing column name. The fourth one is drop column in 8 supported in 8i used to remove the column permanently from the table. Now let us see the example for alter add. We shall start the SQL plus. We shall increase the font size. Okay, just we shall maximize it. The username is Ram and the password is Ram123. You can see that SQL is connected. Just clear the screen. Okay, now the screen is cleared. Now let us see how to add a column to the existing table. Now let us first describe student. DESC student. You can see the student is having role, S name, student name, course and fee. So we shall add two columns, phone and email, to the existing table. So this is the command. Copy it and paste it. Alter table student add phone number 10, email varchar to 100. Press enter. The feedback is table altered. We shall describe the student again. Now you can see that phone and email are added. Now we shall come to the next option. Example for modify. Alter, modify. The second example. Now alter table student modify S name to varchar 250. You can see that student name is, the data type is varchar 220. We can change it from this command. So alter, you shall copy it and paste it. Alter table student modify S name varchar to 250. Again you can see table altered. Now this student name was initially having varchar 220. Now it is now it will, we can check it. DESC student. You can see the student name has become varchar 250. Now we shall come to the next command. One more example is there for modify. This command works on empty table only. Alter student modify role char 10. We shall copy it and paste it. Table altered. Role has been changed. Now we shall describe the table. Now you can see that role data type has changed to char 10. There is one important point. This command works on empty table only. Note: changing the data type or reducing the column size is supported only if the table is empty. Now example for alter rename column. Let us copy this command. Alter table student rename column fee to fee paid. Enter. Now again you are getting table altered. So let us describe the student. Describe student. Now you can see that the column fee is changed to fee paid. Note, only one single column can be renamed at one time. Now example for alter drop column. Copy and paste. Alter table student drop phone and email. You can see table altered. Now if we describe student, there is no phone and email. So thank you for watching this video, and I will be coming with the next oracle commands in the next video. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.